we have news from this socialist government that as there are no workers in Spain, we are going to get all these Spanish citizenship to 500,000 immigrants that currently are not regulated with the due contracts, social security, and so on. Therefore, this is some huge news, because if you're a ship owner thinking about European nationalities, if you're a ship owner thinking about should I or should I not the Spanish flag, how could I really have this towards Italian flag? Now, how are these 500,000? Is it going to be 10,000 seafarers? Well, we don't have the data. Is the government going to train them for survival, firefighting, and basic training, which now in Spain is 3 courses, and those 3 courses are different queues, different papers, bureaucrats, and so on? Well, you can do the same course in Morocco for 600 euros all in one, or in Latvia, 400 euros all in one. You see, yeah, bureaucracy is the same in Spain, so you can get the courses in other countries. Is it going to be 500,000 truck drivers? Because then perhaps they can go to Morocco, because Spain is a disaster bureaucracy, you know. So they can go to Morocco and get this basic training and the firefighting and survival courses, or to Latvia. Yeah, but anyways, this is a huge news, 500,000 more, and this is for May. How many are going to be for the seafaring community, officers and ratings? Well, we look forward to this, and we are asking kindly the government to please train those 500,000 for ship owners. Thank you. Bye.